Guys, we're at Cooksbridge station level crossing in East Sussex with AB trains, Southern train spotter Jamie, East Sussex level crossings and supercars and DB trains.
That is slow.
Yes, it is.
See, look, that's going to bang. That is really slow.
That just banged.
On that one.
Reminds me of March. It literally reminds me of March, this is.
Yeah, it's like the on the barriers.
There we go. Now the time now is 12:19 on Saturday, the 25th of June, 2016. This is for our 12:20 1 Foxtrot 18 Southern service from London Victoria to Eastbourne, and our possibly even for our slight delay 12:19 1 Foxtrot 27 Southern service from Eastbourne to London Victoria.
These barriers are knackered. Oh, look at the alarm. It's old.
Yeah, look at the pole. It's paint starting to come off.
Yeah, so look at the barrier.
Oh yeah, it's rotten.
No, it's not, because this all used to be painted black.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's the barrier. Like, well, I won't touch that.
Yeah.
Just in case. There's an ant on it. There's 2 ants on it.
Yeah. Like
See, look, it should be like that one.
yeah.
These barriers are not in line.
The ants must have touched that wire. If those ants touch those wires, then they'd
Yeah. Pardon? We might get double pass.
yeah, we'll get them.
These barriers really need replacing.
These are the cages for each of them.
Oh yeah.
There's a cage here.
Yeah, it's cage here. There's 6 weights. There's 6 weights on here, 3 on each side.
These barriers.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. Yeah, I think when they stop working.
Oh yeah, platform 1 is for London. Platform 2 for Eastbourne and Hastings.
Yeah, I think they'll replace them when they actually break.
Yeah. I'll go on this side. I'm gonna go on this side. Might not get the numbers. I'm not too sure.
No, there is something coming.
Right.
Yeah, I know that. Well, actually, no,
From the
this
Victoria
is
to
a newer
Eastbourne,
barrier.
come that way. That way's towards the Victoria. That way's towards Eastbourne.
Except this side hasn't got new film in it. But this side has.
Where?
This side's got new film in
look.
it. But that side hasn't.
If you can see there, Dan, look, it's got moss on it.
Yeah, I know it's got moss on this side. It's old. This side's better. This side's been repainted.
Yes. Oh, that'll be if you see. Yeah, here she is. That's on the Victoria to Eastbourne. Thank you.
Thank you.
377 447. 377 447 to
And if we go up
Eastbourne,
now, we're going to be in the
and
Brayford.
up they go. They're wheel operated, I think.
No, they're not. No, they're completely. We're going to go straight back down.
That's guys next video.